Ideally located in the heart of the Norwest Business Park, in the new Norwest Quarter Master Plan neighbourhood, on behalf of our valued clients Malfa, Coutts and Norwest Commercial are proud to offer a solid long-term lease investment for sale. The tenant CityCave is a float and wellness centre. They offer a range of float therapy, infrared saunas, massage and specific practitioners to assist in their clients' journey through tailored healthcare. Shops 3 and 4 is a combined 196 square metres with 4 car spaces and 2 storage units totalling 24 square metres. Their 7-year lease commenced on the 1st of March 2020 and expires 28th of February 27, and also includes an option to renew for a further period of 5 years. The current net rent is $116,696 per annum with fixed annual 3% rent reviews. The tenant pays all outgoings, including strata fees, council and water rates and taxes, and property management fees, which in turn means a greater return for your asset. A short walk across the road to the Norwest Lake, you'll find fantastic food, shopping, and also plenty of active pursuits in the surrounding parklands. An array of transport options nearby, such as the Norwest Metro, connects you to the wider Sydney region along the M2 and M7 motorways. If you're a savvy investor seeking a premium quality investment property with one of the fastest growing franchise companies in Australia, then contact us today. We look forward to showing you through this amazing property.